Hello there, it's Avinam Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. After two unexpected results yesterday, it's time for us to get ready for the upcoming clash of IPL T20 2020 that is going to be played between two sides that are tussling very hard to gain that one significant playoff spot, Kings 11 Punjab and Kolkata Knight Riders. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 26th of October 2020, the Sharjah Cricket Stadium Sharjah is scheduled to host this encounter. This venue is renowned for hosting high-scoring matches. This venue's pitch as usual is expected to be flat enough, but still the batsmen shall face a number of problems due to the presence of an additional factor, that is slowness, that the pitch might have begun to attain from last week or so. Plus, the teams have also figured out the correct field positions and bowling options for Sharjah's conditions. The bowlers aren't expected to go for a journey if the right areas are targeted. It seems as though dew is playing a part in the last 3 to 4 matches of the tournament, so it shall be better if the toss-winning captain opts to field first this time around. Kings 11 Punjab. Lokesh Rahul captain and wicket-keeper, Chris Gayle, Mandeep Singh, Nicholas Pooran, Deepak Hooda, James Neesham, Chris Jordan, Ravi Bishnoi, Murugan Ashwin, Mohammad Shami and Arshdeep Singh. Kings 11 Punjab shall face a huge setback if Agarwal doesn't get a clear chit to feature in this encounter. Expect Mandeep to get redrafted if he isn't fully fit to play. It's high time KXIP must seriously consider Maxwell's inferior batting form and make him sit out to include Neesham. This thing would also add a pacer into the side, and that too in Sharjah. With the kind of determination and intensity that they have showcased in batting and fielding, they deserve to play the knockouts. Will Gayle's presence make them much more invincible? By the way, Chris Gayle in Sharjah, damn, expect the universe boss to cash against KKR's bowling attack that has shown its form in bits and pieces form. Kolkata Knight Riders. Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Rahul Tripathi, Sunil Narayan, Dinesh Karthik wicket-keeper, Owen Morgan captain, Pat Cummins, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Varun Chakravarti, Lockie Ferguson and Prasidh Krishna. Any team would want to go with less spinners in Sharjah and expect KKR to do the same by continuing with the same winning combination. How well did Rana and Narayan played last time around? They both were completely out of form, but out of nowhere, both of them took magnificent charge against the bowlers when the threat and pressure of another possible collapse was on. Well, this bowling combination is quite likely to Sharjah's conditions, and so is Tripathi's presence. Expect most players of this lineup to take Rana and Narayan's comeback as an inspiration and try their best to revive their own lost touch. I have a super strong feeling that the Gale show is going to be on tonight, so KXIP are the favorites to win this clash in my view. Take care.